Welcome to this lesson on proper personal protective equipment when administering chemotherapy. Today, we'll learn about the appropriate type of gown to use. The question we'll address is, what is the appropriate gown to wear when administering chemotherapy? Let's examine each option carefully. Option A is a front-closing gown. While this might seem convenient, it actually poses a risk as chemotherapy agents could potentially come in contact with the healthcare worker's clothing or skin through the closure. Option B is a gown made of absorbent cotton. This is particularly dangerous as the absorbent material would actually draw in and retain hazardous chemotherapy agents, increasing exposure risk. Option C is a highly permeable gown. This would allow chemotherapy agents to pass directly through the material, providing no protection for the healthcare worker. Option D, the correct choice, is a disposable gown. These gowns are specifically designed for chemotherapy administration, made with impermeable materials that protect against spills and splashes. They provide complete protection and are discarded after use to prevent cross-contamination. Let's summarize why disposable gowns are the safest choice for chemotherapy administration. They're impermeable to protect against hazardous drugs. They're designed for single use to prevent cross-contamination, and they meet specific safety standards for handling chemotherapy agents. Remember, proper PPE is crucial for healthcare worker safety.